experiencing a frozen screen, buffering issues, or connectivity problems with your Spectrum cable box. The quickest and often most effective solution is a simple reboot. For most Spectrum cable boxes, including older Eris or Pace models and the newer Spectrum 200 series, you can perform a reboot by unplugging the power cord from the back of the box. Wait 30 to 60 seconds to allow any residual electricity to dissipate. Then plug it back in. The box will then go through its boot up sequence, indicated by the lights cycling. Wait patiently, as this can take 1 to 3 minutes. If you have a newer box, like the Spectrum 200, you can also try a quick refresh by holding the power button on your Spectrum remote for 10 seconds. This performs a soft reboot without completely cutting the power. According to Spectrum's 2025 data, rebooting resolves about 70% of reported issues, making it an essential troubleshooting step. Beyond the basic reboot, Spectrum offers advanced options for newer cable boxes. The Spectrum app, available on iOS and Android, allows you to remotely reboot your cable box, providing convenience without needing physical access. In 2025, this feature expanded to include voice commands through Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri. Simply say, "Alexa, reboot my Spectrum cable box," and the process starts automatically. For DVR models, ensure no recordings are in progress before rebooting to avoid data loss. Connecting your cable box to Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi provides a more stable connection during reboots. Always check for firmware updates after a reboot to ensure your box runs the latest software. During large-scale outages, like the 2024 Northeast blackout, Spectrum recommends rebooting to re-establish connectivity once service is restored. Remember, rebooting is safe and effective for many issues, often the first step Spectrum support recommends. By 2030, expect AI automation where boxes self-diagnose and reboot preemptively, integrated with Spectrum's internet and phone bundles.